Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to explain second chapter, second chapter and second unit. Right? In the second chapter or second unit, we have to explain sound. So, sound in human physiology and physiology. Sound is the reception of such waves and their perception by brain. Only acoustic waves that have frequencies lying between about the 20 hertz. Keeping your mind, this is hertz, symbol of hertz, Hertz, and hertz is the name of scientist. So 20 hertz and 20 kilohertz, keeping your mind. The frequency range of the sound is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. The audio frequency range elicit an auditory percept in humans body. What I am saying, the audio frequency range clicked an auditory percept in human body. In air, at atmospheric pressure, these represent sound waves with wavelengths of 17 meters. 17 meters is like a 56 feet to 1.7 centimeters. So 1.7 centimeters, so that is 0.67 inch, keeping your mind. So in human body, physiology and physiology, sounds is reception of such wave and their perception of the brain. Why it is possible? Because sound waves range 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. The audio frequency range elicited an auditory perception in the human's body. Represent the sound waves, the wavelength of 17 meters, and that 70 meters we can write 56 feet to 1.7 centimeter to 0.67 inch. This is IN, it means that inch. Feet, FT means feet and this meter. Sound waves above 20 kilohertz are known as ultrasound and are not audible to humans. Sound waves below 20 Hz are known as infrasound. Different animal species have varying hearing ranges. Simple harmonic motion are called periodic motion, to and fro in this way, goes one place to another place, that is to and fro. Simple harmonic motion also called as periodic motion. So the sound waves above 20 kilohertz, known as ultrasound, are not audible humans. Sound waves below 20 Hz are known as infrasound, and different animal species have hearing ranges. Periodic motion. Now this is the simple definition, keeping your mind. Generally, sometime definition asked in your MCQ examination. Periodic motion which repeats after certain interval of time is called periodic motion. What I am saying, periodic motion is defined as motion which repeats after certain interval of time is called periodic motion. Oscillatory or vibrating motion. Layer of air column makes to and fro, here and there, to and fro, here and there and here. To and fro motion about its main position or equilibrium position is called oscillatory or vibrating motion. It's called oscillatory and vibrating motion. layer of the air column makes to and fro or here and there motion about its main position or equilibrium position is called oscillatory or vibrating motion. Oscillator or vibrator, oscillating particles is called oscillator or vibrator. Particles, oscillating particles, it's called oscillator or vibrator. Oscillation is defined as the particles repeats its motion along the path again and again. Particle repeats its motion along the same path from one place to another place, again second place to one place, again one place to another place. So the particles repeats its motion along the path again and again is called oscillation. Then amplitude, maximum displacement of the particle from its main position is called amplitude. Maximum displacement of the particles from its main position is called displacement. Unit of amplitude is meter, centimeter and angstrom. This is the angstrom. This A0 angstrom. Meter, centimeter and angstrom is the unit of amplitude. Frequency. The number of oscillation complete in 1 second is called frequency. What do you mean by frequency? Number of oscillation complete in 1 second is called frequency. Unit of frequency is hertz or 1 per second. Hertz or 1 per second. Time period denoted by T, and this frequency denoted by small n. Amplitude denoted by A. So what is meant by amplitude? Maximum displacement of the particle from its main position is called amplitude. And unit of amplitude meter, centimeter and angstrom. Frequency, number of oscillation complete in 1 second is called frequency. Unit of frequency, hertz or 1 per second. Then time period T. One oscillation complete in particular time is called time period. One oscillation completed in particular time is called time period, and unit of time period second. For example, watch. Then wavelength, the distance between two successive compression or rarefaction is called wavelength. Distance between two successive compression or rarefaction is called wavelength, or compression, that is compression or rarefaction. Longitudinal wave, this is the rarefaction, and transmission wave. Unit of wavelength meter, centimeter and angstrom. Velocity of wave, distance covered by disturbance. Distance covered by disturbance or wave in 1 second is called velocity of wave. Unit of velocity of wave is meter per second or centimeter per second. Unit of wave is meter per second, wave, velocity of wave. So unit meter per second or centimeter per second. So this is the wave diagram. This is one wave. So this is the displacement, keeping your mind. This is main position. This is the end position. So this is the disturbance or wave or oscillation. So to given in this way, and this is the disturbance, or this is the distance from its main position is called wave. Distance between this wave and this wave. So distance between two successive compression. This is the compression and here is the rarefaction support. So this is compression. So distance between two compression, this and this. Rarefaction, this and this. So this is called wavelength, keep in your mind, and that denoted by lambda. That denoted by lambda. Then amplitude. This is also known as amplitude. So what is the definition of amplitude? Amplitude is distance between The maximum distance from its main position is called amplitude, and amplitude denoted by A. And this amplitude we can measure with the help of meter, centimeter, feet also. Then this and this is one compression and this is another compression. So distance between two compression is called wavelength, or distance between two rarefaction is called wavelength. Keep in your mind. The distance covered by the disturbance or wave in 1 second is called velocity. Keep in your mind this in this. So this is the distance covered. Suppose this wave goes from this point to in this way, this point. So this is the distance covered by disturbance in 1 second. This distance covered in 1 second is called velocity. And therefore, this velocity, time, frequency, wavelength, this is important definition, motion, oscillatory motion. So this type of definition is very important for you. So student, I stop here. Thank you very much.